That should drain a little bit better now.
I don't reckon you used to swear before you started riding dirt bikes, Fab.
Oh, he gets worse than that.
I know. He does.
Oh.
I'm not anymore, I'm a changed man.
Oh, yeah.
Should have heard him at the fucking, when was the one?
Spring Hill.
One. Fuck, he was swearing
Spring
on that
Hill.
one, wasn't he? Oh, you were there, that's right.
I was there.
He was using the C word as well.
I know. C word.
Smile.
Where's the phone? Did you have that on video? Because that'll look good coming towards it. How much is in your tyre, Fab?
33.
That fell off his barkbuster.
Yeah, you get a good run up.
Get right back here, Fab.
And this time, don't back off the throttle exactly when you backed it off.
Keep coming, Fab. Keep coming. Keep coming.
Trying to get you in the creek. Alright, now you got the most run up.
Right. Don't matter where you're fucking heading, just fucking...
Just go.
You can get up any bit of that. Turn the throttle.
Sit at the back.
I reckon maybe let a little bit of air out of your back fire, might help.
No, I think he's
Should be alright. Good then? Nah, doesn't need to. It's all good?
Who's got that rope?
We got 6 more gullies like this to go.
Don't bring a rope out near Fab, you'll find him hanging from the fucking... Maybe go up the creek, Fab. Alright, then stick there, don't worry about it, just go.
I wouldn't be there, Buzz. I wouldn't stand there. Ooh. Ooh, digging a hole.
Me, like, I've looked down and then I've looked up once.
You might have to let a bit of air out. I know you think it's got the right pressure in it, but I reckon you might need a little bit out of that.
It's starting to look like 20 bikes have been through here, Fab, but it's only been 11.
Maybe one.
I'll do.
Right, come back.
Yeah, fucking pull him up. That's close enough.
Hey, we're going to be the pub by 4 to meet Dakota.
That's what you said, between 3 and 4.
That's the only reason I came.
Dakota will be fucking blind by the time we get out.
Wouldn't be a ride without Sam. Just wouldn't be the same without him.
It's not Fab, it's somebody else.
Somebody else.